In today's hyper-connected world, digital outages can strike unexpectedly, disrupting work, communication, and daily routines. Whether it's a power failure, internet blackout, or device malfunction, the impact can be immediate and stressful. Recognizing these risks is the first step in preparing for them. By understanding how outages affect our lives, we can start thinking proactively about solutions. This video will guide you through building an emergency tech kit, ensuring you're ready to handle any digital disruption with confidence and minimal stress. Preparation is key to minimizing the chaos of digital outages. Imagine losing access to your files, emails, or essential apps during a critical moment. Having an emergency tech kit means you're not scrambling for solutions when disaster strikes. Instead, you have a set of tools and resources ready to keep you connected, productive, and safe. This proactive approach not only reduces stress, but also ensures you can continue important tasks without interruption. Let's explore what goes into a well-prepared kit and how it can make all the difference. A solid emergency tech kit starts with a few core components. These essentials include backup power sources, offline communication tools, and secure data storage. Each item plays a crucial role in keeping you connected and protected during outages. By assembling these basics, you lay the foundation for a kit that can handle a variety of digital disruptions. In the next scenes, we'll break down each component and explain how to choose the best options for your needs. When the power goes out, your devices can quickly become useless. That's why backup power solutions are a must-have in any emergency tech kit. Portable power banks, solar chargers, and extra batteries ensure your smartphone, laptop, or tablet stays operational. Choose high-capacity power banks that can charge multiple devices, and consider solar chargers for extended outages. Having these options means you won't be left in the dark, literally or figuratively. Communication is often the first casualty during a digital outage. To stay connected, include offline communication tools in your kit. Walkie-talkies, printed contact lists, and even basic SMS-capable phones can bridge the gap when Wi-Fi or cellular networks fail. These tools ensure you can reach family, colleagues, or emergency services, no matter the situation. Don't forget to keep these devices charged and ready for use. Losing access to important files can be devastating. Secure data storage is a critical part of your emergency tech kit. Use encrypted USB drives, external hard drives, or offline backups to keep your data safe and accessible. Regularly update these backups and store them in a waterproof, shockproof container. This way, you can retrieve essential documents, photos, or work files even if your main device fails. Your emergency tech kit should include essential devices that can operate independently of the internet. Tablets with offline apps, e-readers loaded with reference materials, and basic smartphones are all valuable additions. These devices provide access to information, entertainment, and communication, even when your main systems are down. Make sure they're fully charged and updated regularly. Digital records are convenient, but physical documentation is vital during outages. Keep printed copies of important documents like ID, insurance, medical records, and emergency contacts. Store these papers in a waterproof folder within your kit. Having hard copies ensures you can access critical information when digital devices are unavailable. Certain apps can function offline and are invaluable during digital outages. Download emergency apps for first aid, whether updates, maps, and communication. Make sure these apps are installed and updated on your devices. Test them periodically to ensure they work without internet access. These apps can provide guidance, information, and support when you need it most. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot can be a lifesaver during internet outages. These devices use cellular networks to provide internet access when your home Wi-Fi fails. Choose a hotspot with a reliable battery and coverage. Keep it charged and ready, and consider a backup SIM card for added flexibility. This ensures you can stay online for essential tasks. Managing power during an outage is crucial. Use energy-efficient devices, turn off unnecessary electronics, and prioritize charging essential items. Invest in multi-port chargers and power strips to maximize your resources. By conserving power and charging strategically, you extend the usability of your kit and keep your devices running longer. Backing up your data is essential for digital resilience. Use cloud storage, external drives, and encrypted USBs to create multiple backups. Schedule regular backup sessions and verify that your files are accessible offline. This ensures you won't lose important information during an outage, and you can restore your data quickly when systems are back online. Staying entertained during an outage is important for morale. Include offline entertainment options in your kit, such as downloaded movies, music, ebooks, and board games. These items help pass the time and keep spirits high when digital distractions are unavailable. Make sure your devices are loaded with content and ready to use. Lighting is often overlooked but vital during outages. Include LED flashlights, headlamps, and battery-powered lanterns in your kit. These tools provide safe, reliable illumination when the power is out. Choose devices with long battery life and keep spare batteries on hand. Proper lighting ensures you can navigate safely and continue essential tasks. Technology can support first aid during emergencies. Include a digital thermometer, portable medical devices, and offline first aid guides in your kit. These tools help you monitor health and respond to medical issues when professional help is unavailable. Make sure devices are charged and guides are accessible offline. Personal safety is paramount during outages. Equip your kit with emergency whistles, pepper spray, and personal alarms. These items provide protection and alert others if you need help. Store them in an easily accessible part of your kit and check their functionality regularly. Protect your kit from water damage by using waterproof containers. Choose sturdy, sealed boxes or bags to store your devices, documents, and accessories. This ensures your kit remains functional and your items stay safe, even in wet conditions or emergencies involving water. Organization is key to an effective emergency tech kit. Use labeled pouches, zip bags, and compartments to separate items. Group similar tools together for easy access. Regularly review and update your kit to ensure everything is in working order and ready for use. Maintaining your emergency tech kit is essential. Set a schedule to check batteries, update apps, and replace expired items. Test devices and backups to ensure they function properly. Routine maintenance keeps your kit reliable and ready for any outage. Consider building kits for your family or team. Customize each kit based on individual needs and roles. Include extra communication tools, chargers, and entertainment options for group use. Coordinating kits ensures everyone is prepared and can support each other during outages. If you travel frequently, create a portable emergency tech kit. Use compact devices, lightweight chargers, and travel-sized containers. Make sure your kit complies with airline regulations and fits easily in your luggage. A travel-friendly kit keeps you prepared wherever you go. A checklist helps ensure nothing is forgotten. List all items in your emergency tech kit and review it regularly. Use digital and printed copies for easy reference. Update your checklist as your needs change or new technology becomes available. Building an emergency tech kit doesn't have to be expensive. Look for budget-friendly options like refurbished devices, generic chargers, and free offline apps. Prioritize essential items and gradually add extras as your budget allows. Smart shopping ensures you're prepared without overspending. Choose a safe, accessible location to store your emergency tech kit. Avoid areas prone to moisture or extreme temperatures. Inform family or team members about the kit's location and ensure everyone can access it quickly during an outage. Customize your kit based on your lifestyle and needs. Add items for pets, children, or specific medical requirements. Personalizing your kit ensures it's practical and effective for your unique situation. Test your emergency tech kit regularly. Simulate outages to ensure all items work as intended. Practice using communication tools, accessing backups, and managing power. Testing builds confidence and reveals any gaps in your kit. Technology evolves quickly. Upgrade your kit as new devices and tools become available. Replace outdated items, add new apps, and improve storage solutions. Staying current ensures your kit remains effective and reliable. Keep a list of emergency contacts in your kit. Include family, friends, medical professionals, and local authorities. Store this information both digitally and in print. Quick access to contacts can be crucial during an outage. Establish a routine for reviewing your kit. Set reminders to check items monthly or quarterly. Update your kit as your needs change or as technology advances. Consistent reviews keep your kit ready for any emergency. Building an emergency tech kit is a smart investment in your digital resilience. By assembling essential tools, organizing your kit, and maintaining it regularly, you're ready to face any digital outage with confidence. Review your kit, customize it for your needs, and stay proactive. With your emergency tech kit, you can keep working, communicating, and staying safe, no matter what happens.